Are you the kind of person who gets a lot of ideas and wonders what to do next? So here's an idea for you. Create a mock prototype. 3 simple rules to create a mock prototype. You should be able to make it within 60 minutes flat. That's right. That's the challenging part, but that's also the part that makes it possible to get the idea out of your head. Point number 2. Use simple, readily available materials like newspaper, cardboard, and little pieces of scrap lying around the house to make your mock prototype. Point number 3. Approximate your final idea. It doesn't have to be as fancy or as detailed as the idea that you visualize in your head. You just need to get it out there in the real world. Let it not be perfect. You can create mock prototypes not just of physical products but even a service idea. And that's exactly what the McDonald's brothers did when they had an idea to create a better running burger restaurant. They took chalk and they took a few friends, went to the basketball court and created a simulation of what the workflow of such a restaurant might look like. And that's what helped them to create McDonald's. That's a mock prototype for you, for products and for services. Get out there and make a mock prototype of your ideas. Send us some pictures and videos, and we'd love to share with you the next steps that you can take once you have your mock prototype in place.